What a nice tent. Good. Now I can cooking here, playing games, bringing my Android phone. I can play my PC game here. I don't have to carry my computer everywhere. And actually my PC was at my home, about several kilometers away. Now I don't afraid the sun and the rainy anymore. By the way, I'm using the app called Parsec. It can string my PC gaming to my Android phone, so I don't need to carry my PC anywhere. As long as there's 4G network, it's going to be fine. The game I mean AAA PC gaming. Let's check out what I play.
Welcome back, Ace.
I'm going to show you my PC setup at my home. Let's go. Hey guys, this is my gaming PC setup and my editing workstation. I don't work near my PC. I always use the Parsec to work remotely, including gaming and editing, or sometimes do some visual effect. So this PC didn't have any monitor attached to it. It's just headless. It got two Xeon E5 CPU and a Titan RTX and GTX 1070 Ti, dual graphic card, dual CPU. I used two power supply for the whole system. That's it. This is my NAS and router.